All right, I'm going to go to third question. A user who is organizing a meal with a group selects all the members of the group from the user's contact list. Um, the application then recommends. I'm sorry, I skipped the top part. Okay, I see. So Dine Out Helper is a mobile application that people can use to select restaurant for a group meal. Each user creates a profile with a unique name and a list of food allergies or dietary restrictions. Each user can then build a contact list of other users on the app. So that means that each user, you know their food allergies and dietary restrictions. A user who is organizing a meal with a group selects all the members of the group from the user's contact list. So again, you would know each of their food allergies and dietary restrictions. The application then recommends one or more nearby restaurants based on whether the restaurant can accommodate all of the group members' allergies and dietary restrictions. Suppose that Alejandra is using Dine Out Helper to organize a meal with Brandon and Cynthia. Which of the following data are needed for Dine Out to recommend a restaurant for the group? Okay, so we need so there's we picking a combination of these three options. Option one, each group member's list of food allergy or dietary restrictions. So we do need that. Alejandra's geographic location. Well, we need that. We already know that. Um, so, so hang on. Let me see. Which of the following data are needed for the dine? Okay, so which ones does the app need? So we do need the food allergies and dietary restrictions. So we need that. Alejandra's geographic location. So we do need that. That is something we need. It's not named, but okay, so that makes sense. We need that because how would you know we don't want recommendations like 1,000 miles away. Usernames of the people on Brandon's and Cynthia's contact list. We don't need that at all for this. If Alejandra is making it, she just needs their names. So what we don't need is three, but we do need one and two, and that looks like option A. So for me, it's option A, but basically it's with that, whichever option says one and two only. We don't need three. Okay, and then the same restaurant, same situation, but the different is question. The options are a little different here. So, which of the following data is not provided by Alejandra, but is necessary for Dine Out Helper to recommend the restaurant for the group? So, okay, Brandon's contact list is not necessary, so we don't need that. Information about which restaurants Brandon and Cynthia have visited in the past. That is not necessary. It might be helpful, but it is not necessary. So we don't need the prior history in this context. Information, and then option three is information about which food allergies and dietary restrictions can be accommodated at different restaurants near Alejandra. Um, we do need that, right? So we do need, so like for me to recommend which restaurants would fit, I would need to know what restaurants offer. So the three here is the only one that works, and for me, that is option B. So again, whichever option for you, if they're scrambled out of order, which I sometimes do, I don't remember, but if I set that up, it's the option three on this question. Or for me, letter B, but it's the only the third one here fits.